At LPL Financial, your goals always come first. We're the #1 independent broker-dealer in the United States, serving over 11,000 advisors and their clients in more than 6,000 branch offices nationwide.
For over 40 years, LPL Financial has been supporting independent financial advisors and helping them provide sound financial advice to their clients.
Beyond our size and experience, there are 4 key reasons why investors choose to work with independent advisors affiliated with LPL Financial. The founders of LPL Financial had a pioneering vision to create a refreshingly personal alternative to Wall Street firms. An environment where you receive truly independent advice that's always focused on your goals. Founded at a time when it was widely believed that high-quality independent research was impossible, LPL Financial has built one of the largest in-house independent research teams in the industry.
Over the years, we've grown LPL's research team to nearly 30 individuals, making us one of the largest in the independent space. The way investors flock to higher quality investments during tough times, advisors are flocking to higher quality investment firms. At the end of the day, the way you measure that in a research team is how unbiased and unconflicted you are. Many firms have proprietary products. Many firms have investment banking divisions. At LPL Financial, we're not structured that way. We are structured to be completely independent, unbiased, and conflict-free, which makes us truly an independent research arm.
You can depend on your LPL Financial affiliated advisor for objective guidance and advice. To accomplish this goal, we provide superior account management and operations support to monitor your portfolio. Unbiased research provides a greater understanding of the markets and access to timely information so that your advisor has more time to evaluate your strategy. LPL Financial affiliated advisors come from many different backgrounds, but they all have one thing in common. They demand the best support and training in the business.
It's our objective to make LPL Financial Advisors the premier providers of investment advice in their communities. That encompasses many aspects though. For example, we've got to have state-of-the-art technology for them to process business efficiently. We've got to have a great service orientation that when unusual situations come up for clients, we're there to be highly responsive to their needs. We have to have objective, unbiased research that is truly industry-leading. We have to make sure they have access to all the training and education to keep up to speed on these products and services.
Ultimately, the success of your investment strategy depends on 4 key elements: LPL Financial's heritage of independence, unbiased research and solutions, objective guidance and advice, and expert support and training for your advisor. With LPL Financial, your advisor is independent but not alone, so your goals always come first.